Forecast.
Hey, good Monday evening. The view from the Charlottesville camera. Throughout the course of the day, you may have noticed a little milky appearance in the sky, and we're dealing with the western wildfire smoke, but thankfully it's higher up in the atmosphere. Normally from that particular view, you can make out the Blue Ridge, not as prevalent as it normally is under clear conditions. The smoke higher up in the atmosphere will persist here the next couple of days. Of course, we thankfully can't smell the smoke, but it will still be there, and it contributes to some stagnant conditions and poor air quality. But again, a lot of that aloft. 88 is the current reading at the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport, made up to a high of 90 today. The dew points, which measure moisture content in the atmosphere, continue to rise, and it's certainly a lot more humid than what we dealt with over the weekend, which was quite a treat. 84 at the Valley Airport in Weeders Cave. And we take a look at some other numbers at this hour. We have 86 in Madison, 83 currently in Palmyra, 84 in Livingston, currently 84 in Stanton, and 82 in Waynesboro. Most of us tonight will see numbers in the mid and upper 60s across the region. Could be a little patchy fog early tomorrow morning. Tuesday's a toasty day. Once again, we'll see numbers in the low 90s across central Virginia, upper 80s to near 90 in the Shenandoah Valley, and at least we'll continue at least hold on to a 90-degree reading or so into the midweek, especially across central Virginia. So a little mini heat wave this week. Our better chance for some showers and storms will arrive by the end of the week. A couple of players there that I'll point out in a moment, but again, that'll be our next chance of some rain. Meanwhile, there's a disturbance that's north of Hispaniola and east of the Bahamas that'll be monitored over the next several days. About a 50% chance of development over the next 5 days. That could be headed up toward and near the outer banks of North Carolina. Meanwhile, this is Tropical Storm Nicholas, which was designated a storm yesterday, already impacting Texas and the southwestern Louisiana coast. Right now, it's about some 70 miles south of Port O'Connor, Texas, and headed up toward the Matagorda Bay area. Could make landfall later tonight or early tomorrow morning. And again, the rain is already out ahead of it, but this will continue to lift up toward Mississippi as we go into the late week. But you can see all this rain offshore. Again, there's the Houston metro area, which has a long history of flooding, and some locations could see 15 up to 20 inches of rainfall. So all this rain will kind of fan out across the Gulf coastal region over the next couple of days. High pressure's in control for us for now. There is a front off to our north with showers and thunderstorms. Currently a severe thunderstorm watch box across the state of Pennsylvania, but for the most part we'll stay quiet through the midweek before we start to see some changes arrive with a front that will approach as well. So temperatures right now are in the 80s, coming off daytime highs in the upper 80s and low 90s. We'll start tomorrow morning in the 60s. Some fog early. We'll heat back up for many of us in the low 90s tomorrow afternoon, and then a muggy start early Wednesday morning with temperatures in the 60s. Most of the showers and thunderstorms out across West Virginia and to our north and west on Wednesday. Front gets closer on Thursday, and we'll watch some of that moisture, which will be off to our south and west and off to our east as well. Temperatures tonight in the 60s that are mostly clear skies, a little bit of patchy fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Essentially, this is the last full week of summer. Next Wednesday, a week from this Wednesday, is the autumnal equinox. So we've got a little mini heat wave for the next couple of days. Temperatures will back down by the end of the week, but some rain chances during that time as well.
Still waiting for full-time fall weather.
I hear you.
It'll be here soon enough. We'll be right back.